and welcome to Draw Plans. This is another video from our Architect at Work series. Today we're going to be creating layout plans, existing layout plans for a project near Heathrow Airport. This is small terraced house. Well, it looks small enough until you get inside, but once you get inside it actually it opens up. It's actually quite nice, and client has open planned. So what we're doing here is a side return wraparound, and as you can see they've done the loft conversion already. So what we're going to be doing is an infill extension at the back, basically structural glass, tall structural glass extension to the infill, and then we're going to do a wraparound that's slightly more conventional. Interesting little project. Client is ambitious in the sense that he wants to take out all of the ground floor walls, including the back wall where the back addition meets the house wall. So it's going to be loads of structural, but it'll be very much open plan when we get done. He also likes the idea of brick slip feature walls done with old stocks and porcelain tiles throughout with underfloor heating. So yeah, kind of contemporary, adding a contemporary feel to an old Victorian terrace, so it's going to look great. So stay with me. We're going to speed up the actual drawing time, and what I'll do is, if you don't fall asleep, I'll come on back to you at the end or towards the end, and we'll have a little chat again. But watch the video because it's informative, and you'll see how architectural designers and architects actually create existing layout plans from the measured survey and photos of the project. So enjoy. Right, I'm back. That's taken about an hour and a half this time. Interesting enough, pretty simple, easy to do, and we prettied it up a little. I can see a few issues with it that need to be altered, but generally speaking, it's okay. What it is it's basically these bits here, the decorative bits, need to just move down a notch, and there you go. So they link up with the bit at the front. So it's always important to place a bit of emphasis, as in where the boundary wall is, and perhaps do something to show it off. So designers will always try to find ways to pretty it up, but at the end of the day, this is what we call the existing layout plans, and it barely gets a look. Only by the planners. So what everyone's interested in is the proposed plans, or the proposed layout plans. So that'll be those we embellish as much as possible to make it interesting for the clients, and of course make it interesting for all involved, and help. Of course, the main aim is to communicate the design as well as possible. Okay, hopefully you got some value from this tutorial. Keep an eye out, because we're going to be doing loads on the Architect at Work series. We're going to be doing existing, we're going to be doing proposed, elevations, mansard conversions, loft conversions, extensions, refurb, subdivision. We're going to be doing all of those kind of projects in the Architect at Work series. So if you really want to develop the skills and be able to look over our shoulder as we design stuff, then I'd say these videos are well worth watching. So if you have comments, or you'd like to see anything, whatever you want, just leave a comment. We'd be always very much welcome to get comments, so that we can get an idea and get some feedback as to whether videos are helping out or what. If you want to subscribe, then obviously you get notifications on the new videos as they come out, and of course it helps us as well. So okay, that's brilliant. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.